What's up? So I don't really have a plan for whatever the fuck I want to do. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do anything special. Maybe like colorful. Who knows? I don't. I know something colorful. Ooh, I know what I'll do. I don't need it. It's okay. I'm gonna use this. Beautiful. Anyways, I'll use that. Gotta love Jeffree. Gotta love Jeffree. He is richer than any of us will ever be. Fuck. So I'm probably just gonna fill in my eyebrows a little bit. Like I said, nothing crazy. I knew where my definer was. I found it. It's broken. I need a new one. Cool, that's one half-ass on. Cool, let's roll with that. I like that. But what I think, because over these years I've bought, years, how long has it been? Over these like 2 years, I've bought a lot of fucking Jeffree Stars shit. And it's, yeah, it's been worth it. I'd say it's been worth it. But whatever. What do I know? I supply him. I pay him. Can't find my brush. Fuck. Why am I always losing shit? Oh yeah, because I'm not organized. True match. I'm gonna just fix these half-ass shits up. Like I said they are. They're half-assed. Like I said, I'm not doing nothing crazy. I'm only doing the bare minimum. Just like in life. Just the bare minimum. You ain't gotta do no more than the bare minimum. That's all you need to do. It's the bare minimum. Oh, I did this one kind of thick today. Oh, she's a thick bitch. Oh, look at this bitch. Ooh. Ooh, don't fuck it up, Alexis. Ah, don't fuck it up. Don't you fuck it up, you fuck up. Can we talk about all the drama? Shit, the drama. Like, that just careers have been ended. Everything. Like, I can't even, like, fucking understand. Quit all that fighting. Cut that shit. I don't do that shit. I've never been in a fight. Like, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I'm pretty sure people have wanted to fight me. I've actually wanted to fight a couple people, but I've never, like, actually been in a fight. I'm a little bitch. Hit anybody? I've never thrown a punch. Like, stop it. Never thrown a punch or nothing. Hey, shh. You need to calm down, little boy. Mm. Oh my God. Gonna kill him. I'm gonna be using this. The Thirsty. I love it. Such a nice, cute design. Ow. And I love it. And I wanna fucking use it. So we're gonna be using one of these colors because I know what it's gonna look like. So I think it would look better with a nude. I have these two L'Oreal Paris ones. This one is, fuck, this is tiny. Rule. And this one is Create. So now I got these free on Influencer. So go L'Oreal. Go Influencer. They gave it to me free. They sent it in the mail. I'm gonna view it. So yeah, but I'm using one of these. I don't know, because one's more nudie and one's kind of like mauve-y, I want to say. So there's that. But Influencer is really cool. Like, I made an account like maybe like last year, and I keep it up and I, you know, talk about makeup and stuff like that, and I get picked for these boxes. And when you get picked for the boxes, they send products to you. I've been sent foundation, I've been sent lipsticks, I've been sent hair dye. I get sent a whole bunch of stuff, different stuff. It's not just one thing or from the same company. It's a bunch of other stuff. It's really cool. So if you want, you can download that and you can make an account. It's really cool. You could possibly be getting free makeup. I love makeup. There's nothing wrong with getting it for free. But back to this. I'm gonna, should I prime it? Fuck it, I'll do it. I'll just use the same True Match because there's nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna go in to the fucking palette. Alright. First I'm gonna go with, I don't even fucking remember. I don't even remember how I did this shit. I think it was pinky. So I'm going with this patched color. This one. I'm gonna put that everywhere on my face. That's always fun. This is a Wet n Wild brush. $1. Love me some cheap brush figures I was only for. Just kidding. Anyways, so then I'm gonna go with this. Oh no! Oh no! I scratched it with my nail. Oh fuck! I'm going with this one. This kumquat flavor color right here. And I'm gonna put that in like the crease. And don't worry about getting on your lid, because you gonna cut that bitch. Shut up. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Because I think this shit looks pink on me. Or it's like, I don't know. I'm brown. I don't know anything. Yes? 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 Yeah. I'll do the same over here. I can't do one eye first and then do the other one. I have to do them at the same time or I'm gonna forget everything. I'm gonna add in this, I'm gonna add in this one and then we're gonna go for bitch. But first we're going in with Taste Buds. The one right next to bitch. Can't blame him. Now we going in with bitch. Bitch. I touched it. Add a little tiny bit. And a little tiny bit. Just enough to shade of, fuck. I don't know his name that. Of stroke. Stroke that dick. Or don't. I don't care what you do. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, hello, hello. Get off me. Okay. Now we gonna do that cutting I was talking about. Oh, if you're asking, these are my night clothes. I wear this to bed. Yes. I'm still in my night clothes. Oh no. At 11:14. Fight me. Okay. Looking fabulous. Now you want to go into your Thirsty palette. And I forgot which fucking one I used. I think it was a silver one. Yeah. You're gonna go into Divine. And gonna put that all over those lids. Shove them on your lids. I don't care what you fuck you gotta do. You could totally use your finger. That would probably work a lot better, but I don't like to use my finger because then I got a dirty finger. I got nails and it's so hard to like get in there. But I'm gonna put on Elf. This is the only like liquid eyeliner I've literally ever used in my life. I'm scared to try anything else. I know there's other ones out there, but this one just works better for me. So.
Shake it up, look at the rest, bitch. Bitch. I'm sorry, I'm trying to sound like Brennan. Say bitch every 2 seconds. I need to go. My bad, I go through these bitches like crazy. I have like a pen. I totally get it all.
See, these don't match. These bitches don't match. That's my internal curse. I can't match my winged eyeliner to save my goddamn life. I'm gonna put on that blue. The blue is gonna go right under here. Oh, it's Sephora. They say it's waterproof. That's what that little blue is. It says it's waterproof. I don't think I'm supposed to do that. Whatever. Okay, submerge. Yeah, submerge that. Anyways, submerge. Dust it off. Don't dust it off because this is the one that's not like. This is the color that I'm slightly disappointed in. It's not as good. It's good, but it's not as good. The yellow really sucks. But we'll talk about that. I know this isn't the brush you should use, but I don't care. you really want to see the blue, so make sure to kind of like slide it on, but don't slide it on too much or it won't show up. Finish the shit on my eyes. So these are the lashes. Cute, I know. Good. Close fucking enough. It'd look better if I had mascara on, obviously. Eee. I know, I'm amazing. I'm beautiful. Use Anastasia and Marzi. I don't know how to say this bitch's name, but his highlighter's nice. Shit. It's fuck. I love it. Yes, bitch, work. Do it up there, but I don't care. Alright, we're down to the final step. As you can tell, they're like two totally different colors. Like when they're like far away, you're like, oh, that's the same shit. And then they get real close. This one's neuter and this one's the mauvey one. I think I'm gonna go with the nude. There is also a red one they sent me, but this doesn't really look like it goes together. But they sent me a red one too. Cute. I found this one focus. You can see it's like slanted and shit. It's weird. Put it on. Oh my god, you can't even tell that's on. I shoved that all in my mouth. Now these clean smell to it. It smells like it's like a cleaning product, but not in a bad way. I don't know, I can't really tell. It's a good nude. It's a nude. See, now this is a nude for me. Some nudes that people say are nudes are way too like light on me, and I look like I am Dave Chappelle when he plays the crack addict. Like, I got some crack. I need some crack. Give me that crack. You know? These feel like it's already dry. Like, I don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Like, I already feel like I can have a little thing on already. Yeah. That is my simple look using the Jeffree Stars D palette. I hope you enjoyed this if you fucking watch it. I don't know. I have a dead channel. It's not dead. I have a weak channel. But if you watched it, you enjoyed it, you can like, subscribe, and maybe I'll put more out. Who knows? I don't know. Bye.